Angithi nithe sibaphe igrace abo bheka manje. The only grace that matters is Mondlana, not Grace Bafana. Bayayihyusa, bayayi-abhusa, bayifake emakhaleni, bayenze uba. Le grace, le eyabobuntle nabonandi. Stop it. Abafana abayideserve. Ngiyanamukela kuqubo bomntabakade. I even forget my intro when I speak about Uyajola 99 colleagues. Ngiyanamukela kuqubo yami yomntabakade yathi ngumntabakagogo, ngumntabaka adi, ngumntabakasisi. I am Serms, and it's at the right Serms on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We have a mental check-in event on the 28th of February. I am giving away 3, 4, 5 tickets. We have been sponsored 5 tickets. Thank you to AON, a company that once advertised here. Influencers from Tato Fox, Pelo Shabalala, Lelona, Z, Dimpomponyane. Guys, I'm sorry if amagama wenu ayahamba ngiyabonga umusa wenu. So if you cannot afford a ticket for real, and you want to come through, I'm giving away tickets. Okay, they are going. And on sale, if you want to sponsor a ticket or you want to come, we have 3 tickets remaining only. Ne? Food and drinks will be included. We will be on the iconic Vilakazi Street, just speaking all things mental health related when it comes to creating content, the burnout, the tiredness, the long hours, people not watching your videos, giving your best and feeling like you're not being recognized. Even if you want to start content creation and you're not already in content, it's okay, come through. You can buy a ticket, or if you can't afford for real, you can't afford, hit me up. Yeah. Murder bongs. Ever since you went to Turkey and you can bite a chicken in a straight line, not that I want to mock you, but I am upset with you. Yeah? What am I hearing in these streets? There are very big rumors going around that DJ Zinhle's future ex-husband, Murder Bongs, is in the streets again with evidence again, allegedly, that he has his voice, not in Roots, not in Checkers, but in a beautiful girl called Sans. Guys, it was first leaked by Musa Kawula. It is so wild that we have to take what Musa Kawula is saying as the truth sometimes, not all the time. Most of the time, he is never wrong. And once Musa says it, when we start going to dig, Sana, I said, And then someone said, oh, but look deeper on her Instagram. And I searched and I found, and I said, whoo, Murder Bongs. This girl posted herself, I'm a rose. I'm a Rosie, a Valentine, 2, wearing your merchandise. And then I said, there's no way. And then it went back all the way to 2025 March, where she posted DJ Zinhle and Murder. Do you know when people are sleeping with your men and they post you because wow, the spam is so strong inside the system that it can't even contain itself. You are so excited that you are doing who tumblers with that one of DJ Zinhle's person that it's so strong you can't even contain it. I'm dragging all of them. I'm dragging the one that is in the relationship, in the marriage, in the I do, and then is stepping out on his wife. And I'm dragging this girl because side chicks from 1984, they always used to eat and keep quiet. What else, Dodos? What else, Doris? What else, Rose? What's this queen? They used to eat people's men and just be professional side chicks. Eat and be ashamed because it's shameful eating someone's man. So they ate him in peace. You guys are eating. Who? Posting in the merchandise, even posting the wife. Why? Why? It's not a polyamorous relationship. Hmm? So umpostela nuzinhle. Angithi udla ivorce yakhe. Manje ufaka i-frying pan yakhe. Nina ni-stowed nina. Ni-stowed. She's in the merchandise. She's congratulating. And then there's a post where she's like, loving you is my sin. Hi, Judas Iscariot. Ke tlo go betsa. Lona ke tlo le shapa. Libon. And it's always the cool, calm, collected, and understanding women that get dribbled. Uzintle is a lover girl and she loves out loud. She loves her husband so boldly and so proudly because she's been through the fire of AKA. And then now we thought, wow, you found a well, Zintle, as in kuzoba right, this one. Kuzoba right, and knowing you have a big heart. Your heart is a pizza. You have a slice for every wrongdoing. You just forgive. You just forgive, but it's okay because I won't judge you. Because why? Because abafana siyabathanda. Mina ungangi-advise the whole day. You guys can advise me the whole day and say, Sims, no, Sims, don't ever take him back. Sims, leave him today. Once he says, krr, krr, baby, askis, oh, babe, it's okay. Nirong, and then I'm gonna turn on you. And like, you guys wanted me to leave my man? So please, Uzinhle, you saw people were dragging bongs the last time he cheated. She was upset with Sima. She was upset with Sima. So, Zinhle, I mean, I'm not advising. I'm just putting it out there. What your man is wrong in acrimony, and this girl is also wrong. Cause why can't you eat in peace? Why? Anyway, you see the grace you guys are extending. It's fine. Now, Anika, Dambuza, wait. Reality shows are the worst thing to ever happen to normal human beings. Reality shows were good when they were for celebrities and the sports people and people we just admired from far. When us real people do reality shows, we really give real. Anika Dambuza, the TikTok superstar that came out on the reality show last week and said, I want Sihle to leave his job because I am the breadwinner. I do most things in the marriage financially, and it's okay because money is not the biggest pillar in my relationship. I value respect. I value how we do things, and that does not revolve around FNB, Capitec, or Standard Bank. Sati, yes, when I Anika, women like you, yeah. Guess what? This week, it's getting a bit heavy. It's getting a bit.
Didn't see his role, especially as like a very traditional man. Like I do think it's a lack of confidence that's linked to maybe like the financial thing. Like like he tries his best, but that's not gonna pay the bills because like all the debts I still have. Like I'm still trying to like
pay the wedding,
get out the trenches. Yeah, like the loan for that car. Because, like, even for this job, like, we had to get a car just so he could have a job. Like, get the job. Yeah. So already I was an expense from day one. So right before the wedding, I had to take out, like, a personal loan to aid in the wedding costs. So even though the agreement for not paying the lobola was for Sihle to, like, then pay for the wedding, I also, like, had to help him. And that's where the loan went. Like, there wasn't enough for him alone to cover the wedding.
Where does the thought of you asking him to quit his job come from?
It's like been 4 years now, but it's been something like I've been thinking about. So I just feel like I've given him enough time, and that's another reason why I'm scared of having this conversation with him, because every time I've brought it up with him, I think he gets like defensive. Then he wants to feel supported. Like he views it like I'm not supporting him. He wants more time. He wants a chance. And I feel like I've done that. So like
Yeah.
even though we have those conversations, he'll
He
be
does
like,
have like that pride where I think he thinks it will get better.
Yeah.
Like just give it
He's
like
holding
another
on.
month or
another
another
year.
Yeah.
I've brought this up with him a few times and it didn't go well. Shame. The one time he even said like, I must just support him. Please believe in me and support me. And I said I wouldn't do it again, but here I am. I at least want him to step up.
Also with that, sis, I also want to tell you, like, you need to take risks. Like, try a closer man.
I wish they can just take the cameras back and all the podcast equipment back, because Anika is telling us that she did not get lobolad. It's okay. They don't put lobola first in her family. Okay, Anika, we take that. And then you tell us that Sihle did not pay for the wedding. You took out loans to pay for the white wedding and the traditional wedding. You are still paying for the loan today. It's okay, Anika. People ate. You did the two-step. You sang at your wedding. You had a good time. Now you are paying for it alone. Anika, it's you. It's for you. It's okay. And then you tell us that you also bought a car. You're still paying for the car alone. And Sihle, vroom vroom, Fast and the Furious, Kibeli Bridge, Ukibela back route, Ukibeli N1. You're paying for the car loan. It's okay. And then Sihle, now he's a black taxer. He has to send money back home. He has to give money to the family. And sometimes that money is asking from you. And you must give that money. It's too much for you. Anika, why do I know so much about the mechanics of your relationship? Hmm? Because now the more you open, the more we also open our cameras and our videos, because wow, Sisi. Wow, Sisi. And don't worry, Anika. Just because I'm doing this video about you, you're not the only one. You are not the only one. Otwele indoda. Yazini. Women are breadwinners. Women are financial winners. Women are the John Sinkwa. Women are the Albani, the Blue Ribbon, you know? But it's the thing of, you have to make peace with it. If you're choosing to go that route of being the breadwinner, win your bread. So now you're complaining because you're saying you don't want to emasculate him, but you are emasculating him by constantly giving it to, telling everyone who has an ear to listen. Angazi, but you guys know what team. It's like she said she's okay with it, or she's just venting because it's too much for her. Singaboni san, because I can understand. I can understand. You know, Hori, it becomes too much for you, and you want an ear. You know, but it just seems like you do a setup, and then you think you're okay with the setup, but as the setup is unveiling, you're like, mm mm. Mm, mm, you know, so sisi kunzima. Yazi kunzima emshadweni, guys. Yabona, before you get married, go through life, live life, have your independence, make your own cash, see what you like, see what you don't like. You know, visit your man before you move in with your man. Just see what works for you, and then you can say, "Oh, we are doing this." Because man, I also feel like Usihle is relaxed. And Anika feels like Sihle is relaxed. Like he just decided to take care of the home, and now he's not doing anything to pull in the weight financial. And Anika is showing frustrations. So what?